Look at Rocky. Rocky just had a haircut. Rocky's doing good. He's learning how to walk on his leash. I don't know, maybe you guys already started him because he seems like he's real familiar with walking on it. Huh, Rocky? Yeah. Come here. Come here, Rocky. Come here. Yes. Here's a new Rocky with a new haircut. What do you guys think? Huh? What do you think of the new Rocky? Huh? That's his little playmate, this little apricot guy right here. This is Louie. Hi, Louie, Louie. He doesn't seem to care that Rocky got a haircut. Everybody seems to be okay with it. Sometimes when I bring him back with it, Louie, I'm trying to talk. Sometimes when I bring them back with their new hairdo, everybody freaks out. They think I have a new dog. But these guys are doing fine. Yeah. Are you hungry, Rocky? Hmm? Yeah. Come here, let me take your leash off. Rocky, come here. Come here, Rocky. Come here. So he's hungry. I guess he didn't get his breakfast before we went today. So he's eating. I'll try and take more videos later. Rocky, hey. Ah. Rocky, say hello. Say hello, Rocky. 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 Say hello. Say hello. Say hello. Ah, tickety. Oh, yes.